Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Daily Drug Info, and don't forget to subscribe Daily Drug Info to watch new videos. Today I will describe drug Methyldopa, its classification, indication, dose, strength, pregnancy status, adverse effect, and its warning. Drug generic name Methyldopa, its classification alpha 2 agonist central acting. Indications are the drug has been used for dominexia of pregnancy and hypertension. Dose in oral formulation, adult dose 250 mg 2 or 3 times a day. Pediatric dose 10 mg per kg per day in 2 to 4 divided doses. Maximum dose 65 mg per kg daily or 3 gram per day. Parenteral dose in adult IV infusion 250 to 500 mg every 6 hours, maximum 4 gram per day. In pediatric dosing IV 20 to 40 mg per kg per day in 3 to 4 divided doses. Strength are available in tablet formulation 250 mg and 500 mg. In injection formulation IV 50 mg per ml. Pregnancy status B. Adverse effects are orthostatus hypotension, dizziness, lethargy, sedation, rashes, gynecomastia, dry mouth, hemolytic anemia, thrombocytopenia, liver toxicity. Warnings: this drug is contraindicated in active liver disease, liver disorder associated with previous methyldopa treatment. Thank you for watching Daily Drug Info.